The FITCAMX dash camera for various Volvo models offers a factory look that's plug and play for an easy installation in just a matter of minutes. The 4K Ultra HD video quality is very good. It allows you to view road signs, read license plates. Just a great option when you need it. The camera offers Wi-Fi connectivity to the FITCAMX app. There's loop recording with a G sensor, which will lock in the recording after it detects an impact. It's also fun for track days or just recording while you're driving around, because you just never know what you're going to see when you're out and about. If you're in the market for a dash camera, I highly recommend checking out the FITCAMX. It has the best OEM look and integration of any camera on the market. The video quality is very good. Sure, there may be others out there with better video quality, but they're not integrated. This one looks great, has excellent quality and performance. It's affordable and provides peace of mind. FITCAM also offers a rear camera option that you can integrate with this front camera. So if you're interested in the FITCAM, you can use my coupon code that give you an additional discount when you go to purchase. I want to thank the FITCAM team for sending me this camera for our Volvo S90. I had already purchased one for our Volvo V90, as you saw in the clips with the red hood, and I also have one of these for our XC40. So real pleased with the quality and performance of this camera, and want to thank the FITCAM team for continuing to put out great products. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. This is Chris from SweetSpeed, and thanks for watching.